Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to customize unsubscribe page here in Omnisend. All right, for this example, we're just going to be using the default unsubscribe text provided by Omnisend. Okay, but if you want me to create a specific video on a customized unsubscribe page, okay, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below. So first up, for the default unsubscribe page from Omnisend, let's go ahead over to store settings right here. Now go ahead and find language and translations. In this panel, we have that. Okay, click on it. Now what we'll do here is just go ahead and select, of course, the default campaign language. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and scroll. Okay, and you will have the unsubscribe section. Okay, but this is not what we're looking for. What we'll do is just scroll down until we find the page section or email unsubscribe page. And then here we have the headline. Okay, you can go ahead and edit this one. Just click on the edit button and change the text in here. You have unsubscribe text, like please confirm you wanted to unsubscribe from promotional emails. You can go ahead and change this one. Okay, and transactional text as well. You have that in here. Just basically click on the pencil icon to edit it right here. Okay, success message, update, and something went wrong. All right. Also, you have one for the SMS as well, or SMS unsubscribe page. Just basically do the same thing. Click on the pencil icon and then do what you want. All right. And there you have it. That is how you customize and subscribe page here in Omnisend. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.